How's it going, guys? Working on the iPhone 11. Got this screen protector off Amazon. So just kind of gonna go through it and set it up for my son's phone. So we got the screen protector accessories, wet wipes, dry wipes, and then the dust absorber. So it's wet wipes are gonna be like an alcohol application where you clean the screen off. As you can see, the screen is very dirty at this point. You can tell it's already been greased up from the hands, and you already know how these teenagers are. Also got a protector that includes for the lens in the back, because even without a case, you're gonna put this on a counter or wherever you're going, and you're gonna scratch the lens. So I got one that included it. This comes with two, and they last for some time, and then you can replace them obviously with another one. So that's what we have here. Take this out of the way. This is the plastic screen protector. Comes with the tab that you're going to pull off when you're ready to place the application. On the top of the screen here, I'll leave the description and the link in the description rather. So let's go through it. See the application, dust remover, the guide sticker for the actual screen. There's two of each. One for each one here. So I'm just going to put it here, right there in the container. Take one off. So you have that dust remover and helping to hold the screen. The alcohol wipe and wet wipes, the dry wipe, which is this, and then the dust absorber, which is that. These are your items that come inside this case applicator. All right, so first thing first, I'm going to wipe this down with the wet wipe. Gotta make sure it's nice and clean. It should break down all the grease from it being handled previously. As you can see, turn it over, fold it in half. You're gonna also clean over here because this needs to be clean. You don't want any grease to get behind applicator, because then it won't work. See that? Then you're going to use this to clean it off. As best as possible. You may have to go over it again. Go as clean as possible. You're going to go side to side, up and down. You can tell that the screen has been beat up already. unfortunately, but the screen protector will keep it from getting any worse. And I'm going to use the dust absorber to get any lint off of the screen. So I'm going to do the application. I'm going to pull it from here. It always helps if you have some nails to pull it off. I'm just going to, it's very, you're just going to go around. Just working a pattern. As you're working through it, top to bottom, side to side, and make sure you don't forget the corners. I'll put this over here because I'm going to use it again from the back. Then I'm going to use this This is the back. I'm going to use this to line it up and make sure that I get it on properly. So what we're going to do is this is going to be the guide sticker to help guide this onto the screen. So you can see it here that says for the back. Supposed to peel it off. Alright, so we're going to put the guides on. Okay, so I'm going to peel off the back. To guide it. to be as steady as possible. Depending on how you want to do it, you want to do it maybe from the edge. I'll start with it sideways so I can get make sure everything kind of lines up the best you can. And you can see it. It'll adheres itself. And you can see it right there. So at that point, just gonna take this off. Has adhered to the screen already, as you saw. So right there, help protect the screen from any more scratches. You start from the middle, then you work your way out, doing a nice circular motion. That's fine. That's taken care of on that end. So now I'm going to flip it over. And over here again. And this is pretty much done at this point. Clean it. Get around this. And then I'm just going to do the application for this as well. Again, this is going to help protect the lens, keep it from getting scratched and damaged as best as possible. This one, of course, again, you're going to eye it to make sure that you can get it properly where it needs to be. If you don't have a steady hand, then you're going to have to need some kind of guide. Where you can make sure that when you have it over, it's gonna stay. So now this is going to protect the lens and the screen itself. There are different kits out there. This is a fairly cheap kit. Like I said, I'll put the link in the description and you can make your choice. You know, it may be challenging for some who may not have a steady hand or a sharp eye, but there you go. Now it's protected. Whenever it needs to be replaced, I have another set. So there it is, nice and ready to go. Clean. And protected so it won't have any more damage for a little while. Next is probably to get a case to protect the edges. So far so good. And there you go. Like and subscribe. Let me know your comments. You may have any new kits that are out. You can always add that in the comments as well. But you know, this one is a cheap kit, somewhat challenging for some, but as you can see, just take some patience, steady hand, and it's good to go. Thank you. God bless.